How to run Davinci Resolve on a low-end PC. I'm going to show you how you can easily run Davinci Resolve on the low end. Visit the official Davinci Resolve website to check the minimum system requirements. Ensure that your low-end PC meets these requirements. Go to the Blackmagic Design website and download the latest version of Davinci Resolve suitable for your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Davinci Resolve on your low-end PC. Open Davinci Resolve and go to the Preferences or Settings menu. Adjust the playback and rendering settings to lower resolutions and frame rates to reduce the workload on your system. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background to free up system resources for Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve offers a proxy mode that allows you to work with lower resolution media during editing, reducing the strain on your system. Enable proxy mode in the project settings. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Use lightweight media formats and lower resolution footage when editing to improve performance on a low-end PC. After making these adjustments, save your project and restart Davinci Resolve to apply the changes. Keep an eye on the performance metrics within Davinci Resolve, such as CPU and GPU usage, to identify any bottlenecks or areas for further optimization. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.